ASA was started by Creighton Merrill in 1940 in Seattle, Washington, and originally named Merrill Aviation Ground School. The company's primary goal was training post-war military pilots returning from active duty to work in the early civilian airlines. The product line included plotters, regulations, and training manuals. In 1960, the company expanded its development efforts with pilot supplies and books added to the ground school training line. In 1969, the company franchised Merrill's popular ground school under the name Aviation Seminars of America. In 1976, the company name was changed to Aviation Supplies Academics. Over the last 80 years, ASA has added hundreds of training products including textbooks, ebooks, software, apps for smartphones and tablets, online courses, and supplies for ground school, flight planning, and aircraft maintenance. Still rooted in the aviation hub of Washington State, ASA is the leading publisher of aviation books and the largest producer of pilot supplies in the United States. ASA supports aviators operating the smallest to the largest aircraft in all segments of the industry, including students, instructors, civilian and military aviators, airlines, universities, maintenance and repair shops, air traffic controllers, and remote pilots. The ASA product line has remained a staple for aviators pursuing flight. The ASA FAR AIM has been in publication since 1945, and the ASA test preps have been in production for more than 60 years. Our products are supported with aviation expertise, integrity, superior quality, and the best customer service in the industry. We can't wait to see what the next 80 years bring.